Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken chili. You will need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 1 can of chopped green chilies, 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 cans of cannellini beans, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring a large pot or Dutch oven to temperature, then add your olive oil. Add the onion and garlic and saute for 3 minutes. Now add the chicken and cook for 5 minutes. Now add your bell pepper and green chili. Now season with your salt, oregano, cumin, cayenne pepper, and chili powder, then mix until well combined. Now add the chicken broth and beans, then bring to a light simmer. Cover and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp